All right, everybody, welcome to Hangzhou. This will be my first vlog in China. I have come here many times, but I have never done a vlog before. So this time I thought make a little difference and see how this goes. Where are we heading to?
It's called Shengcheng.
Okay.
It's like a Chinese Asian style theme park.
Okay,
With
that's
a big show.
that's our mission for the day. So we'll be going to a traditional theme park, not one with the roller coasters according to what Icy says. I have no idea where we are going to, but she organized everything, so I'm just following her. This is the only country where I get to do that. Usually I'm the one who is organizing everything, but China is not a country that I can handle. She handles it much better than me. So she'll lead the way and I will follow. By the way, that is the exterior of our hotel. It's an enormous hotel, and somewhere up there is where we are. Beautiful place. We just checked into our hotel, and let me show you, it's the most extra room that you can ever get for $40. It's $40 a night, and Icy is already inside. I just wanted to show you how this room looks like. Everything sort of is in a royal theme, so a lot of extra things are going on. So you've got too many water bottles than you can handle, and you've got this beautiful bed with this nice decoration going on. And look at this bathroom. It's got this cubicle for shower, and it's completely transparent.
No, you can use the curtain.
Yeah, of course you have the curtain, so if you want some privacy. But oh, I need to put the room key in to get some power. There you go. And look at the design. And this toilet is amazing. It's so big, and you've got all these buttons going on, and fortunately you can actually use a bidet, because in China you cannot find such toilets anywhere else. And you have this beautiful view of Hangzhou. This is not the downtown area, but somewhere in the countryside where there's a lot of mountains. And this whole room was only about $45 to $50. Amazing. Good choice. This is what you get when you have a Chinese wife. You get all these offers. I'll show you the lobby area when we go down, because that is the grandest lobby area that I've ever seen of a hotel. Let's go down in a while and then have a look at it. We're heading out to the lobby area now, so we can get a look at the lobby in a while. First of all, we are on the 15th floor. We are looking for the elevator, and the elevator experience is also quite unique. We are going into a transparent elevator, and this is what the hotel looks like. It looks a bit intimidating since we are on the 15th floor. But it's a pretty nice view. Alright, the lobby gets even better. Okay, now we are at the lobby, and look at this place. It's like a mini shopping mall where you have all these stalls. Of course, you have this vending machines too. Look at this place. It's an enormous hotel, and we are coming up onto the reception area where you have this big space with all these beautiful decorations. Very cool hotel in my books. So we have a whole day to spend in this traditional theme park that she talks about. I'm excited and looking forward to it. Let's see how a traditional Chinese theme park looks like. So guys, in places like Shanghai, I think as a foreigner, you'll be able to get by. But once you go towards the places that are not as famous amongst the foreigners, it's really difficult to handle if you don't know the language or know someone who knows the language. So that's why China is a bit of a difficult place to travel if you are a foreigner and are not familiar with the language. A couple of days ago, we were in the downtown area of Hangzhou city, but of course these days the Labor Day holidays are going on in China, which means all of the Chinese tourists are gathering around the tourist hotspots. It's crazy out here. So we kind of came away from the main area and towards a relatively unpopular area, and that's where we are at right now. So tomorrow, once the Labor Day weekend is over, we are going back to the downtown area. But until then, we are here in this relatively unpopular area where there's not a lot of people, which is a good thing for us. Now, before heading into the theme park area, I wanted to grab myself an iced tea. My favorite place in China is of course HeyTea, which Chinese people might know. It's very popular in China. It's called HeyTea, and this is basically their tea shop. You of course have McDonald's and Tim Hortons going on, but HeyTea over there, that is definitely my favorite in China. Let's grab one. Icy is in fact ordering it on the phone. Everything can be done on the phone in China. So you have QR codes to order, QR codes to pay. All right, look at this, how Chinese have made things easy for us. There's a QR code displayed right in front of the restaurant, HeyTea. You scan it and you get the menu. You can place the order there and make the payment right from the app. And it shows you your number. 8238 is our number, and you have to wait for close to 26 minutes. That's quite a long wait because it's very popular, but everything is updated on the phone. You don't even really have to visit the restaurant except to, of course, grab your drink. Since we have 26 minutes to kill, might as well just go around the shopping mall and see what we can find. It's a bit of a long wait, but I was craving for a HeyTea for some time. This is their logo. I'm promoting HeyTea for free. Okay, this is there's another QR code display. Where is their counter? I still don't see their counter. It's on the side, okay. Oh, there it is. Well, they're preparing our tea. Have to wait for 25 minutes. Until then, let's explore the shopping mall. All right, our drink was ready, so we grabbed it. This is my favorite drink in the world from HeyTea. It's got fresh cut grapes, grape jelly, does it? Yeah, it's sort of a grape bubble tea of sorts, but it's very refreshing, not so sweet. Amazing drink, love it. All right, right now, since this is done, we are heading straight to the theme park area, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, we are finally entering the theme park. Today is a Sunday, which means we are expecting a bit of a crowd. There you go. Right at the beginning, you can see a lot of people gathering and going into the park. A must-see show in a lifetime. Huh. Now I'm intrigued. We'll be spending quite a bit of time inside here until about 8, 9, right?
Yes.
In the evening. So we have a lot of time to spend. Luckin Coffee. That's their Starbucks, local Starbucks. I love that too. They have this coconut flavored cappuccino, which is amazing. Right off the back, it gives me Universal Studios vibes in Singapore. It has a similar entrance as I remember. Last time I went there was 15 years ago, so I can't remember exactly, but it does give me that vibe. So you've got dinosaurs, King Kong, some planes, Cool entrance. Guys, the first impression is it looks like we didn't pick the best of days to beat the crowds because it's a Sunday and it's a Labor Day weekend. We are seeing a lot of people, but hopefully it won't be as congested inside the theme park since it's a big area. I hope the crowds will be dispersed and we'll have our own space at least when we are traveling around the theme park. Okay, we are entering right now. We just grabbed the tickets. I was wondering why people were screaming. I thought there was a roller coaster, but apparently there's not. The higher you scream, the higher the water jet gets. They're trying to get it as high as possible. Look guys, I have a feeling that I might be the only foreigner in this theme park today at least. And even around Hangzhou, I didn't see many foreigners. I only saw like, I think 2 foreigners. So you always get the looks from the locals as it's very normal. I'm so used to it right now. Everybody looks at me because even if there are foreigners, they might be from Africa or European people. Not many South Asians come here at all. Guys, we just got into a huge auditorium and there is a live show going on down there. Obviously it's in Chinese, so I don't understand a thing.
It's a 5D theater about earthquake.
Are we gonna feel the earthquake?
Yes.
Oh no! Oh shit! Alright guys, we just exited that theater. You gotta hand it to the Chinese, they know how to put up a show. It was an amazing one. It was about the earthquake that happened in China in 2008. It was in Chengdu where around 69,000 people were killed. They were reenacting the rescue operations that went on, and it was pretty emotional, and also it was pretty fantastic to see how the 3D, or rather the 5D effects as they call them, came into place, where the entire stage was flooded with water and there were soldiers reeling in from the side of the walls towards the stage. Pretty cool things. They know how to entertain their own audiences. It's amazing. Last night also we went to a show. It was pretty similar to this. Well, we are trying some theme park food. Paid with the QR code, obviously. All right, that's good. All right, this is lamb, I guess. Lamb? Okay. Yeah. With some pre-lunch snacks prepared. We are ready to go for the next show, which is happening at Theater 11. There's a little food street here and more people, obviously. Pretty tender. Usually barbecue meat is quite dry, but this is really good.
学习一下啊！来，两位，准备，开始。停！你们两个在这里胡闹，给我滚下去！回去找你俩算账啊！
Well, that was a display about how the life was back in the days in the Song Dynasty. I think Song Dynasty was based around this area, Hangzhou. And that is what I think this entire theme park is representing, with all its shows and architecture. We just finished a sort of a comedy show as well, where people from the audience were dressed up as soldiers and they were trained on stage. That was pretty funny. And Will, what are we doing next?
We need to check, because the whole theme park there's like 10 or 20 different shows that going on in different time schedule. So just need to check in the map like next which show is going on in which theater, and then you need to find the location and then just go.
Right.
So we are going for the next show.
So this is a theme park based on shows, not rides, not activities.
Yes.
It's almost exclusively about showcasing Song Dynasty to the people. Okay. Alright guys, so right now we are waiting for a special occasion. Up there is a platform. And basically there's a bride looking for a groom. And how in the ancient times they look for it is by dropping a ball, and whoever catches it becomes the groom.
Yes, exactly.
You want to say anything more?
Yeah, this actually exists in the ancient times of China. So this is like representing, showing the ancient times Chinese culture. So let's just wait for the show to start.
Yeah, once it begins, they will drop a ball, and if you are destined enough,
if you will be lucky to be the groom.
I'm already found mine, so maybe a lucky single guy would get it.
Let's see.
That's the bride. Alright, she's pretty. Is that the ball that she's gonna drop? I think I'm too far to catch it. Anyhow, let's see who catches it. Obviously, I was too far for it. There's the guy who's Joseph.
老夫的女婿了，乡亲们觉得他如何呀？
Oh, that's it.
喝鸡尾酒，一杯幸福永久。赠送礼物，情深意更长。再赠送泰式望镜门票1张。请大家再次喜欢。
Oh my god.
嘉兴的新娘送活动。
No candy for us. Alright guys, that's the end of the show. That was fun. So we earned some money by doing some archery, and I see doesn't have enough to buy a gift, so we'll have to bet it.
Do some gambling.
Yeah, we have to gamble our money to earn more. Here's the gamble price.
That's all in. That's all in.
Alright, we are going all in. They're rolling a dice, and we have to say if it's a big one, big number, or a small number. Did you bet?
Huh?
Did you bet?
Yes, yes.
For what?
Small.
Small. Okay, we are betting for a small number. Eight.
It's big.
8 is a big number. Okay, we lost everything. Oh, that's how gambling works. Ah, disappointed. We should have gotten that little accessory. We had 39 and we lost everything now. Shall we get a bintang hulu just because we are sad? Huh? Shall we get one? Lydia?
No, ne.
No?
Nah, enough sweets for this.
Bintang hulu is my favorite Chinese snack. It's sugar-coated fruit, but I see won't let me buy one.
Let's go for the show now.
To be fair, it's a bit expensive here too. Okay, I think we have one more show to do. The lights have come on in the amusement park, and we have done most of the attractions, aka the shows that we were supposed to do today. We have one show, which was supposedly the show that you cannot miss for a lifetime.
Yes.
To see it at least once. Okay, let's see how great this show is. I was looking for curly fries and I finally found it. Convinced Icy to buy one. How much?
50.
50. 1.5.
1.5.
Ah, 1.5 is reasonable. Okay. Yeah, that's like $1.5 or something. That's not bad. Let's do chili. And that's it. Just all right, we are paying by QR code, and we are done eating for the day after this. Thank you, Icy, for buying this for me. Oh, but it's very dark. Alright guys, we have secured our fried potatoes, so finally we can finish eating for the day. I've been looking for this the entire day, but I couldn't find the location. Finally spotted it. Alright, we will be going to theater number 3 to check out the show of a lifetime. Let's go and find it.
献上了充满异域风情的歌舞。
Oh, it's raining everywhere.
雨放波光，烟雨草色，西湖真是合理。白蛇许仙来相会，断桥上。
Everybody, it's about 9:20 in the evening and we are about to exit the theme park. We just finished the show and it was good, but according to IC, I don't know, it might not be the best show in the world, but it's pretty good. It's such a shame that I ate way too much inside the amusement park because here it's quarter the price and the food is so good, and even they, of course.
对，多少钱
？9块钱。
9块钱。
Accept.
Only 9 RMB.
Okay, on 9 RMB, and of course they accept WeChat Pay. Ah, it's a big miss that I don't get to try the fried rice. It looks so good. Maybe another day. No more amusement park food.
One rice noodles is 30 RMB.
30 RMB, yes.
There's nothing.
No. You know, that was a bad call on my part, but who knew there's a lot of street vendors out there right in front of our hotel. Huh? Had I known, I would have waited. Anyway, we are back at our hotel.
Grand hotel.
Yeah, the Grand Hotel. It says Platinum Hangzhou. I'm not sure what Hangzhou means, even IC doesn't know, but maybe it means a mansion or palace or whatnot, because it is.
It really looks like a palace.
Yes. I think I didn't show you the entrance. Let's quickly have a look at the entrance before we go in.
For like $45
Yep.
a night hotel.
Okay, guys, here's the entrance. Have you seen a grander entrance than this? Well, I haven't. Beautiful.
Looks like we go to Macau or something. Or Vegas.
Yes.
Like this. casino.
It was an exhausting day. All right, how do we go? Here? Finally, we are back at our little mansion for today. We spent $40, but we didn't enjoy any of the facilities, so might as well take about an hour or two and at least enjoy the facilities. Today's day was good, and the show at the end was very special for me. But I don't know, IC did not seem to think that is the best show, one of the best shows in the world. But for me, the effects, the costumes especially, they have spent a lot of money on the costumes. And there's a lot of action, there's a lot of emotion, horses, battlefields. They enacted a lot of things that were in the history of Hangzhou. So that was basically what the show is about. It's about Hangzhou, its beauty, its past, and its present with the tea cultivation and whatnot. So I think it was a beautiful representation of what this area is. And it has been going on for some time. And the show before it started said that it has been shown to about 100 million people. So a lot of people have seen this the drama, and I was lucky enough to see it as well. It's a really good one. Okay, so that is it for today. Tomorrow we are going to the city center, so we are planning to do some sightseeing in the city center area as well. So I will do another vlog about that. Until then, we are going to call it a day. I'll see you in the next vlog.